Y'all, if the rain will hold off, I'm gonna get the door panel off. I'm gonna get the thing put on. So, yeah, got both the new ones ready to go. Just take the door panel off now. Alright, got the door panel off. There's only one screw holding it on. So, get ready to get it on. Alright, y'all. I got it on. Got the door handle in. See if it works. Oh, just perfect. See that? See that? See that? Oh, now for the other side. Just gotta go over there with that and some more screws. One more side to go. See, that one's faced up a little bit. That one's kind of, that ain't right. But just look at it. It's supposed to be down instead of up like that. Let me go over there and look at that. It's not supposed to be up like that. It's on there, right? Okay. Whatever. Let's get the other one done. Done, 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 senorita. It's broke. Alright, get back to you. Alright, got the door panel off this side now. And I just got that off, and see, there's nothing wrong with the old one. It's just kind of ugly. So I'm gonna put the pretty one on. Get back to you. Alright, it's on. Hip, hip, hooray! And we got a little light bulb on, too. Goes down, where is it? Down there. Alright. Does it work? Yes, it do. Worked perfectly. Except they're different. They're not exactly the same as I needed them to be. They aim upwards just a little bit higher, which is not what I wanted, but this is the old one, the original one. I'll keep this one for a spare, but this one is broke. It's trash. Yeah. It is trash. Keep that for a spare. Time to clean her up.